Introducing the Ledrama family, that is professional LED solutions for the biggest studio, for the smallest team, and everything in between. The standard Ledrama light is a unique new tool for lighting in the biggest studios. Absolutely amazing light output and reach. The daylight version gives us at 6-meter distance a light level of about 700 lux, using only 225 watt in maximum power setting. Very good color quality in both the daylight and the bicolor version. Extreme efficiency, highest light output and reach, performance with minimal power consumption. The ideal tool when power efficiency is wanted. Passive cooling, no fan, no noise. Pleasant light character. Closely packed LEDs and special optics provide, even without additional diffusion, a much more human and friendly character in comparison to most other LED panel lights. Often when using other LED panel lights, they have a very aggressive and disturbing character, totally unsuitable as key or fill light when shining it directly into people's eyes. Using diffusion gel on such lights when placed directly in front of the LED light sources doesn't help at all. The aggressive character remains. The only result will be less light output. On the other hand, placing a diffuser at a certain distance from the LED light sources provides already a significant improvement, like we have on each of our Felonis. Furthermore, using a softbox makes such lights much more human and pleasant, but does sacrifice a certain amount of light output. The Ledrama light can be used without any diffusion because of the almost homogeneous impression achieved by the extreme multitude of closely packed light sources. If an even more diffused and totally homogeneous light character is desired, a diffuser panel is included to be placed at a certain distance from the actual LEDs. Removable corner pieces serve to position the diffuser panel and also hold optional filter frames and honeycomb. Now, parasitic light can exit between the diffuser panel and the actual light housing. In order to keep such parasitic light from exiting, we include a textile shield which is expandable, eliminating this effect. Now, the bicolor Ledrama light. Usually when LED panel lights come in bicolor versions, you will often find that one row of LEDs work for daylight, the next row for tungsten, the following again for daylight, and after that again tungsten, and so on. This means that with such lights in bicolor version, when going to pure tungsten light or pure daylight, you have only half of the LEDs active. Therefore, the total light output is only half of that of the same light in monocolor version. It should also be noted that with all LEDs, usually the tungsten version of LED of identical wattage provides a little less light, 15 to 20% less. With the Ledrama light, each individual LED light source is capable of emitting daylight or tungsten, depending on the electronic control and setting, and therefore the bicolor Ledrama has full light output in daylight and only 20% or such lower output in tungsten. Let's talk more about light efficiency and reach, which makes this Ledrama light uniquely suitable for lighting in the very big studios. We already mentioned that at a distance of 6 meters, 20 feet, we will have a light level of about 700 lux, or respectively 64 foot candle. This is absolutely stunning and cannot be reached by other existing LED lights, like for example the Kinoflow Celeb or the Cineo remote phosphor light. Now both of those lights are very good, highly professional, very useful. The Kinoflow Celeb, like the Ledrama Bicolor, provides tunable color temperature in a perfect way and is a wonderful professional light when working at closer proximity. The Cineo HS light provides an astounding light output, but here you change color temperature by changing the phosphor panels. So the Cineo family of lights does not allow continuous change from daylight to tungsten, but other color temperatures can be achieved by inserting a special phosphor panel. When talking about the big studio, the Kinoflow Celeb 200 only gives about 60 lux over a distance of 6 meters. The Celeb 400 gives about double, 140 lux. The Cineo is higher, with 210 lux over this distance, but the Cineo HS uses 450 watt. Now, when comparing the Ledrama light with the Kinoflow Celeb and the Cineo light, we therefore see a huge difference when talking about reach and lighting from a distance. One reason may be found in the fact that both the Cineo light and the Kinoflow Celeb light provide an exit angle of 160 degrees, whilst the Ledrama works with a 45 degree light exit. But then also the very special optics that we use in the Ledrama light enhance the light output and the efficiency. If we want to compare how much light for how many watt, we'll find that the Ledrama light provides 25 lux per watt, whilst Kinoflow Celeb and Cineo HS light provide 4.5 to 5 lux per watt. That's a significant difference if you want to calculate the amount of light level achieved over a distance. Power consumption. The Ledrama uses 225 watt and gives 700 lux at 6 meter distance. The Cineo light uses 450 watt and provides 210 lux over the same distance. Both lights, the Cineo as well as the Kinoflow Celeb, are wonderful tools, providing a beautiful light character, perfect color rendition, and are both highly professional tools, but more suitable for lighting from a closer distance. Members of the new Ledrama family. The standard Ledrama has a front surface of approximately 40 by 80 centimeters. The Ledrama L is even bigger, with 40 by 120 centimeters. And for mid-sized studios, the Ledrama S can be very suitable with 40 by 40 centimeters. In a few months, yet another member of the Ledrama family will be introduced with a front surface of only 9 by 16 centimeters. The Pocket Ledrama. This one can be used as a wonderful onboard light, but also for off-board lighting in handbag-sized kits. Battery operation. All lights in the Ledrama family can also be powered by battery, the large ones with 24 to 36 volt, and the future Pocket Ledrama from 10 to 18 volt.